Thank you for choosing to find out a little more about A-level chemistry. Chemistry is a great subject. Chemistry is a great option for you to take. It's just so much fun, but then I suppose I'm a little biased. Here's a little information on the structure of the course. There are 6 modules taught over 2 years that focus on the 2 main areas of chemistry, which are physical chemistry and organic chemistry. Here's a little more detail of what each of the 6 modules involves. However, I completely understand if you think it looks a little boring. It probably does, as it's difficult to be interested in something you've not yet learnt about. However, during the course, we will look at things such as why water is a liquid at room temperature and why does ice float? Why can the third shell hold 18 electrons and not just 8? We look at Kevlar, which is a fibre used to make fibre-proof clothing used by firefighters and Formula 1 racing drivers. It's also used to make bulletproof vests. It was discovered by an amazing female chemist called Stephanie Kwolek. Is it hard? Well, yes and no. Before I test, I'm often asked, is it a hard test? And my reply is always, not if you know the answers. I know that this may seem a little flippant, but it's true. Some people may find the test hard and some people may find it easy. It's just a matter of how well prepared you are. The same is true of A-level chemistry. By working hard, keeping on top of things, asking for help when you don't understand something, and by getting lots of practice, you will be successful. During Year 12, there's normally an exciting opportunity to join the chemistry trip to the University of Bristol's School of Chemistry. This is the school in the background, with around 3,000 staff and students split over 7 floors. The School of Chemistry is over 4 times the size of JCG. The department labs are probably the best of their type in the UK and amongst the very best teaching labs in the world. During the day, we will have the opportunity to work on practical assignments supported by postgrad students. These are students who have completed their degree and are studying for their PhD, which is a qualification that allows them to put doctor in their title. The cool thing is that you get to work with chemicals that we wouldn't normally be able to use in a school environment. And you'll get to use some really fancy, expensive equipment. You'll also attend lecture demonstrations and a tour of the university's department. This visit is unique in the college, as it's the only one that gives you an insight into what life is like at university. There's no set group of subjects that go well with chemistry. However, if pushed, I'd say that the 3 shown here do have some aspects that can help. Lots of people ask if A-level maths is essential. Not at all. I'd be lying if I said it didn't help. However, I wouldn't want you to not consider A-level chemistry just because you don't want to take A-level maths. As long as you can add, subtract, multiply, divide, rearrange an equation, you'll cope. Doing A-level chemistry can lead to many careers in healthcare and medicine, pharmacy and dentistry, but it's also extremely useful in careers in the biological sciences, pharmacology and physiotherapy. Outside of the field of science and medicine, the analysis and problem-solving skills that you'll develop are highly sought after by employers. Many chemistry students go on to work in law and the finance sector. I hesitate in putting this slide in, but if I don't, then many of you will think we're trying to hide something. The most recent results can be found at this address. However, the average of the last 5 years is shown in this table. We are super proud of the achievement of our students. Every couple of years, the chemistry department is reviewed by someone external. normally a very experienced UK Ofsted inspector. This slide shows an excerpt of one of the reports. The reason for showing you this is that it shows the strength of the chemistry department. You will be in safe hands. Hopefully you're watching this because you enjoy chemistry at GCSE. A-level chemistry is not just better, it's much better. An interesting fact is that there are more female students taking chemistry in the UK than male students. The Nobel Prize in Chemistry 2020 went to 2 female chemists for the development of a method of genome editing. One day it could be you. There's never been a better time to take your study of chemistry further. It will be a roller coaster. There will be ups and there will be downs, but you will enjoy it. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to ask any questions, please do come and ask, or just drop me an email.